In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to render a Cinema 4D object with a transparent background. By the end, you'll have clean renders you can drop onto any image, video, or web layout without a visible backdrop. First, open your render settings. You can get there by clicking the clapboard icon or by going to the Render menu and choosing Render Settings. In the Save section, choose a file format that supports transparency. PNG is a great widely compatible choice, and TIFF also works if you need it. The crucial part is enabling the Alpha Channel option. This tells Cinema 4D to include transparency information in your output, so anything not occupied by your object will render as transparent rather than solid, black or white. While you're in Save, double-check your file path so your images go somewhere you'll remember, and confirm the color depth and compression settings your workflow expects. When you're done, make sure these settings are saved with your scene. Next, let's make sure no background elements show up in the final render. If you're using a sky, like a physical sky, an HDRI sky, or any large dome material, you probably want it to contribute lighting and reflections, but you don't want to see it in the camera. Select your sky object in the Object Manager. Right-click it, add a compositing tag, and in that tag, uncheck Scene by Camera. This hides the sky visually while keeping its illumination, reflections, and shadows intact. It's a simple switch that gives you the best of both worlds. Beautiful lighting without a visible background. If you've placed other background-style objects, like a background object or a giant floor that fills the view, use the same approach. Add a compositing tag and uncheck Scene by Camera so they won't render. This keeps your render clean and ensures your alpha channel is truly transparent everywhere you expect it to be. Now do a quick test render. In the picture viewer, you should see your object with nothing behind it. Depending on your viewer, you might notice a checkerboard pattern indicating transparency. If you don't, check that Alpha Channel is enabled and that no background object is still visible to the camera. When you save the render as a PNG with the Alpha Channel, you'll be able to drop it directly into your design or video editor, perfectly cut out with no manual masking. That's all there is to it. Enable the Alpha Channel, hide the sky from the camera, and enjoy clean, background-free renders.